Sway, ridiculous, yeah, ridiculous. Money in the brown paper bag, ridiculous. Sway, ridiculous, yeah, ridiculous. Money in the brown paper bag, ridiculous. Sway.
Well, hello again. It is nighttime. Well, sort of nighttime. It gets dark early in Panama. And I think, let me take my glasses off. I think this is my last day with this hair. Because, I'm not a hair girly so much. I just wanted to see, how does 5-year-old raw Indonesian behave when you sew it in again? And I think it's behaved admirably. When it's too dry, there is shedding. But when it's wet, I think it's all right. Anyway, we're here to talk about raw Indonesian and why it's a good option. It's a good little something to throw in your shopping cart because it lasts a long time. It's nice, sturdy hair. It's thick. It's versatile. Versatile? One of those. You can just do, I think you can do a lot with it. You can use heat. You can, curl it. I think tomorrow when I go to get it taken out, before I get it taken out, I will have the stylist maybe do some curls or something on it and just take a picture. Don't hold me to it because, I'll forget. Anyway, today I watched one of my old videos and I saw where I had used some melanin hair care, their butter, what's it called? I can't think of what it's called. The white stuff that's never available anymore, so I don't have any. Anyway, I saw where I had used that with water and a little blow drying to get some good curls in here. So I decided to do the same again because I can remember what to do with it. It's been years. Anyway, so I did that and I think it looks good. It's still a little wet. I wet it, soaked it down, put in some whipped cocoa butter type stuff, shea butter maybe. It's some kind of Panamanian or Spanish mix, so I can't really tell you. I have to look at the bottle. Put that in, and then I used a blow dryer and just held it to the hair just to, maybe set that curl in a little bit better. And I think it looks good. I'm letting it dry. I was trying to let it dry more, but I want to get on with my night, so I thought I'd go ahead and do this video. But I think it looks good. My husband took some pictures of the back that I'll share along with this video. So one of the things I was going to talk about is, Denise, why did you get a sew-in and now you're going to take it out? Isn't that expensive? Well, I got a sew-in. I got my nails did. That's gel. I got my toes did, also gel. And I spent a good $100. So it's just not as expensive here. There are places where it's probably cheaper, but there is a place here called Afro Queen Hair and Beauty. And I have been using them since they opened. It's owned by an expat. Well, we're really immigrants, but we call ourselves expats. We're so confused. He's also from Atlanta, but he has a lot of local Panamanian girls working there. It helps me to learn my Spanish when I visit, because I have to try to communicate with them, and they're also trying to learn English, so it's kind of cute. I've been going there for about a year. They're pretty good and they're reasonable, and that is why I'm able to get a sew-in and then say, I don't like it, I'm going to take it out, because I didn't invest a lot. It doesn't cost as much to get a sew-in here as it does in the States, where I have to say prices in the States are getting ridiculous. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let me show y'all what this city looks like at night. Let me see if you can see it behind me. Yeah. Anyway, there you go. All right. That's it. We are having a Black Friday sale. It will be 50% off. I can't remember the coupon code off the top of my head, but I don't think you will need a coupon code starting at 6 p.m. on Thursday. The sale will be open to everyone, and it's going to be 50% off all of the hair, all the wigs, all the everything. All right. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I forgot one thing earlier when I was talking about how much I paid to have the install in my nails and all that. I also had my twist taken out, washed my hair, did a deep condition, and then they braided it and put the install and did the install. So all that for $100. Not bad. Just wanted to show one last thing. This is what I do to the hair to go to bed. I just braid it all up in a bunch of little tiny braids and put my little cap on. I don't know where it is. A little bonnet. I have a little bonnet thing. And yeah, that's it. And tomorrow I take it out. Have a good night.